Have you ever been stuck on a problem? You try everything, the normal way, the obvious solution, but nothing works? And then someone says, you need to think outside the box. But what does that really mean? Today, I'll show you exactly what this idiom means, when Americans use it, and how you can use it naturally in real life. Let's get started. So what does think outside the box mean? Let's break it down. Imagine you are inside a box. Inside the box means normal thinking, common ideas, the usual way of doing things. But when you're outside the box, you think differently, you get creative, and you try new ideas. So in everyday English, think outside the box means be creative, think differently, or find new or unusual solutions. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine your team is trying to increase sales. Everyone suggests the same ideas. More ads, discounts, emails, but nothing works. Then someone says, we need to think outside the box. So instead, you try something new. A viral campaign, a creative video, something unexpected. Now imagine you have a project. Everyone is doing a basic presentation. Slides, text, boring, but you decide to act it out. Create a story. Make it interactive. Your teacher says, wow, you really thought outside the box. Imagine now that you're problem solving and you can't solve a problem the usual way. You feel stuck. Then you take a step back and try a completely different approach. That's thinking outside the box. Now imagine you want to surprise someone, but not in the usual way. Instead of a normal gift, you plan something creative and unique. That's thinking outside the box. Now, in case you're still unclear, let's break this down and make it super simple. You only use this idiom when the idea is different, the solution is creative, or it's not the usual way. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Think outside the box. Think outside the box. Think outside the box. For more idioms in English, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist.